Ever wondered why some people command respect and admiration, even without flashing their wealth? In this video, we'll unveil 15 surprising qualities that impress people more than money ever could. You might be shocked to discover that you already possess some of these traits without realizing their true value. If you don't watch till the end, you could miss out on the secret to gaining genuine admiration and respect in both your personal and professional life. One of these qualities might even challenge everything you thought you knew about success. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to unlock more life-changing insights. 1. The allure of a loyal partner, more than just looks. Having an attractive partner catches eyes, but a loyal one captures hearts. A committed relationship speaks volumes about your character and ability to maintain meaningful connections. For example, consider power couples like Barack and Michelle Obama, whose enduring partnership has inspired millions and enhanced their public image far beyond their individual accomplishments. 2. Social dominance, the art of winning hearts and arguments. The ability to command a room and win debates with wit and charm is a superpower in today's world. This charismatic quality can open doors and create opportunities in both personal and professional settings. Think of influential figures like Oprah Winfrey, whose magnetic personality and sharp intellect have made her a beloved public figure and successful businesswoman. 3. Culinary mastery, the universal language of food. The ability to cook well impresses people on multiple levels. It demonstrates creativity, nurturing instincts, and practical skills. Celebrity chefs like Gordon Ramsay have built empires not just on their cooking skills, but on the admiration people have for their culinary mastery. Even on a personal level, being able to whip up a delicious meal for friends or family can earn you lasting appreciation. 4. Multilingual proficiency, a window to multiple worlds. Speaking multiple languages opens doors to different cultures and perspectives, impressing others with your versatility and global mindset. For instance, former US diplomat Madeleine Albright, who spoke 5 languages fluently, was widely respected for her ability to connect with world leaders on a personal level, enhancing her diplomatic effectiveness. 5. Self-made success, the ultimate testament to perseverance. Building something from nothing commands respect like little else. It showcases determination, creativity, and resilience. Again, let's take Oprah Winfrey for example. Rising from poverty to become one of the most influential media moguls in the world, her self-made success story continues to inspire millions globally. 6. Literary achievement, leaving a legacy through words. Publishing a book is a tangible accomplishment that demonstrates expertise, creativity, and dedication. J.K. Rowling's journey from struggling single mother to world-renowned author with the Harry Potter series is a prime example of how literary achievement can garner immense respect and admiration. 7. Social magnetism, the power of a strong network. Having cool friends and the ability to make connections easily is a highly valued social skill. It reflects your own interesting personality and ability to relate to diverse groups. Consider someone like Richard Branson, known not just for his business acumen, but for his vast network of influential friends across various industries. 8. DIY prowess, the impressive art of self-reliance. Being able to fix things on your own demonstrates practical intelligence and self-reliance. This skill is increasingly rare and therefore more impressive in our specialized world. For example, Elon Musk's hands-on approach in his companies, often getting involved in engineering and design details, has contributed significantly to his reputation as an innovative leader. 9. Physical fitness, the embodiment of discipline. A fit and healthy body is a clear indicator of discipline, self-care, and dedication. It's something money alone can't buy. Look at actors like Hugh Jackman or Jennifer Aniston, whose impressive physiques at any age are a testament to their commitment to health and fitness, earning them admiration beyond their acting skills. 10. Cultural literacy, the mark of a well-rounded individual. A deep understanding of art, history, and culture signifies a curious and educated mind. It enables engaging conversations and demonstrates a commitment to lifelong learning. Consider public figures like Neil deGrasse Tyson, whose broad knowledge across various fields has made him a respected voice far beyond his area of expertise in astrophysics. 11. VIP treatment, the art of building relationships. Receiving preferential service without flaunting wealth shows you've built meaningful relationships and earned respect. This could be as simple as being warmly welcomed by name at your local coffee shop, or as impressive as having a reserved table at an exclusive restaurant. It demonstrates your ability to connect with people on a personal level. 12. Going the extra mile, the hallmark of excellence. Exceeding expectations without being asked shows initiative and genuine care. This quality is universally admired in both personal and professional contexts. For instance, a colleague who consistently delivers more than what's required, or a friend who remembers and acts on small details you've mentioned in passing, earns deep respect and appreciation. 13. Follow through. The power of keeping your word. Consistently doing what you say you'll do builds trust and admiration. It's a quality that's becoming increasingly rare and therefore more valuable. Warren Buffett, for example, is known for his straightforward communication and for following through on his commitments, which has contributed significantly to his reputation as a trustworthy business leader. 14. Family harmony, the ultimate personal success. A happy, stable family life is often seen as the pinnacle of personal achievement. It demonstrates emotional intelligence, commitment, and the ability to nurture long-term relationships. Public figures who maintain strong family bonds despite their busy lives, like actor and wrestler Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, often receive admiration for their ability to balance career success with family life. 15. Time freedom, the new ultimate luxury. The ability to control your own time and live life on your own terms is perhaps the most envied quality of all. It represents true success beyond monetary wealth. Tech billionaire Mark Cuban, for instance, has often spoken about how he values his time freedom more than his material wealth, using his financial success to create a lifestyle where he can prioritize family and personal interests. These 15 qualities demonstrate that true admiration and respect come from who you are and what you can do, rather than what you own. If you're intrigued by the idea of gaining genuine respect and potentially achieving financial freedom along the way, don't stop here. Our channel is filled with videos that explore more ways to develop these admirable qualities and unlock surprising paths to success. Keep watching to discover how you can transform your life and earn the kind of respect that money can't buy.